Project Clementine II, UFO Surveillance. In 1994, NASA and the U.S. Department of Defense collaborated on a mission that would change our understanding of the Moon. Project Clementine. Officially, Clementine was a scientific mission tasked with mapping the Moon's surface and testing advanced imaging technology. But according to insiders and classified documents that have since leaked, Clementine's true objective went far beyond simple lunar exploration. It was an intelligence-gathering mission designed to survey and monitor unknown anomalies and possible extraterrestrial structures on the Moon. But what the public does not know is that Project Clementine II, an alleged follow-up mission, took this mission to a whole new level. Clementine II was not just another mapping operation. It was a covert reconnaissance mission aimed at monitoring potential UFO activity and tracking evidence of non-human technology on the Moon and in near-Earth space. The official story: Clementine's scientific legacy. The original Clementine mission was launched on January 25, 1994, and orbited the Moon for 71 days, capturing over 1.8 million images of the lunar surface. The data collected was invaluable, revealing details about the Moon's mineral composition, identifying potential water ice at the lunar poles, and providing high-resolution images that have since been used to plan future lunar missions. But while the public was told that Clementine's mission was purely scientific, the involvement of the Ballistic Missile Defense Organization, BMDO, a branch of the U.S. Department of Defense, raised suspicions. Why would a military organization be involved in a lunar mapping mission? And why were some of the highest resolution images captured by Clementine never released to the public? The genesis of Project Clementine II, a classified mission to uncover the unknown. Following the success of the original Clementine mission, classified reports indicated that unexplained anomalies had been detected on the Moon. These anomalies included geometric structures, unnatural formations, and electromagnetic disturbances that could not be explained by natural geological processes. Even more disturbing were reports of moving objects and strange signatures that suggested the presence of unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, in lunar orbit. Faced with the possibility that the Moon was not as lifeless as previously believed, the U.S. government authorized a follow-up mission, Project Clementine II. But unlike its predecessor, Clementine II was shrouded in secrecy, with no official acknowledgement of its existence. The objective? To surveil and monitor potential extraterrestrial activity on the Moon, and to investigate whether these anomalies posed a threat to national security. Clementine II's true mission: UFO Surveillance and Threat Assessment Project. Clementine II was not about mapping craters or studying lunar geology. Its mission was far more clandestine and unsettling. Equipped with highly advanced imaging and sensor technology, Clementine II was tasked with monitoring lunar anomalies. The spacecraft was programmed to closely observe areas of the Moon where the original Clementine mission had detected unexplained geometric patterns and possible artificial structures. These anomalies were believed to be remnants of an ancient civilization or signs of ongoing extraterrestrial activity. Tracking UFO activity, Clementine II was fitted with infrared and electromagnetic sensors capable of detecting UAPs in lunar orbit. According to insiders, the mission's primary goal was to track and analyze unidentified objects that exhibited flight characteristics beyond the capabilities of known human technology. Searching for alien technology. Some theories suggest that Clementine II was deployed to locate and assess advanced extraterrestrial technology that may have been left behind on the Moon. This technology, if recovered, could provide a strategic advantage in the growing space race and give the United States control over potentially world-altering discoveries. Unexplained anomalies. What Clementine II may have discovered. What Clementine II reportedly found was beyond anything NASA or the Department of Defense had anticipated. According to leaked information, the mission captured high-resolution images of artificial-looking structures that appeared to be intelligently designed. These structures, some resembling towers, domes, and massive complexes, were located primarily in the moon's far side, a region that has remained hidden from Earth's view for millennia. Even more disturbing were the anomalous energy signatures detected near some of these structures. These signatures suggested that some of the structures were not dormant. They were still operational. Some theorists believe that these energy signatures may have been the result of advanced alien technology that had either been reactivated by human activity or had remained active for unknown purposes. But perhaps the most chilling discovery was the detection of moving objects in lunar orbit that exhibited non-ballistic trajectories and maneuvered in ways that defied conventional physics. These objects, described by insiders as unknown aerial phenomena, appeared to be monitoring human activity on the moon, raising unsettling questions about who or what might be observing Earth's closest neighbor. The sudden disappearance of Clementine II. What happened? Despite the unprecedented findings attributed to Clementine II, the mission was abruptly terminated, and all data collected was classified under national security protocols. Officially, the U.S. government denies that Clementine II ever took place, but those who have examined the timeline of classified launches and unexplained lunar activity believe otherwise. Some theorists suggest that Clementine II may have encountered an active alien presence on the moon, one that viewed human surveillance as a threat. Others believe that the mission's findings were so groundbreaking and potentially destabilizing that they were buried under layers of classified documentation, never to be revealed to the public. The cover-up. Why Clementine II was buried. If Clementine II discovered evidence of extraterrestrial structures, technology, and ongoing activity on the moon, the implications would be earth-shattering. The acknowledgement that humanity is not alone would undermine the foundations of science, religion, and geopolitics. It would also raise questions about who controls space and whether humanity is prepared to confront the reality of intelligent civilizations beyond Earth. To prevent mass panic and maintain control over the narrative, the existence of Clementine II was erased from public records, and any evidence of extraterrestrial activity on the moon was classified at the highest levels of government. What lies beneath? The legacy of Clementine II. As humanity prepares to return to the moon under the Artemis program, the secrets uncovered by Clementine II may soon come to light. But the question remains, what did Clementine II really discover? And if those discoveries posed a threat to national security, are we prepared for what lies ahead? The answers may be buried deep beneath layers of classified documentation. But one thing is certain. The moon is not as lifeless as we have been led to believe. And as we prepare to return to its surface, the revelations from Clementine II may not just change our understanding of the moon, they could reshape the future of humanity.